12 benefits of drinking garlic water daily. 12 health benefits of garlic water and how to make it. Embracing the wisdom of the ancient Greek physician Hippocrates, often hailed as the father of Western medicine, who advocated for the notion of "let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food," we delve into the health benefits of garlic water. Hippocrates himself prescribed garlic to his patients for a myriad of ailments, a practice validated by modern research which has uncovered its numerous beneficial effects on health. In this video, we not only explore the health advantages of garlic water but also provide a step-by-step guide on how to prepare it. But before we proceed, remember to subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to stay updated on our insightful content. 1. Fights against acne. Allicin, found in garlic, combats acne-causing bacteria, while also enhancing blood circulation. This improved circulation facilitates better nutrient delivery to the skin, offering a natural solution to various skin issues. Despite costly glutathione therapies pursued by many for skin improvement, the potency of this beneficial herb often goes overlooked, courtesy of nature's bounty. 2. Boosts sexual performance. Garlic harbors allicin, a compound known to enhance blood flow to the sexual organs, acting as a potent aphrodisiac for both genders. This heightened blood circulation contributes to increased vitality and willingness to engage in sexual activities. Moreover, garlic is rich in vitamins and nutrients that augment libido. Regular consumption of modest doses of garlic water daily has been linked to elevated sperm count and enhanced sexual experiences for individuals of all genders. 3. Makes hair healthy. Garlic promotes hair health by providing essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B6, vitamin C, manganese, and selenium. These nutrients play a vital role in maintaining strong and vibrant hair. 4. Protects your eyes. Garlic plays a crucial role in the production of glutathione, a vital sulfur-containing protein that acts as an antioxidant for the eye lens. While many resort to costly glutathione therapies for various benefits, they may overlook the natural abundance of garlic, which offers similar advantages. 5. Protects against cardiovascular diseases and hypertension. Numerous studies have documented the advantageous impacts of garlic. It has been demonstrated that garlic inhibits enzymes implicated in lipid synthesis, resulting in a reduction of total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol levels by 15 to 20%. Additionally, garlic impedes platelet aggregation and alleviates cellular oxidative stress due to its antioxidant attributes, collectively exerting a cardioprotective effect. 6. Reduces the risk of cancer. Consuming garlic also diminishes the risk of specific carcinomas. The American Institute for Cancer Research has issued a report substantiating this claim following extensive global research. It has been revealed that compounds present in garlic aid in DNA repair and enhance various cellular defense mechanisms, thereby significantly lowering the occurrence of cancer, particularly colorectal and skin carcinomas. 7. Boosts immune system. The immune system serves as our defense against various diseases, and garlic plays a crucial role in enhancing its efficacy. Allicin, the active compound in garlic, aids the body in fighting off diverse diseases by functioning as an antibacterial and antiseptic agent. It works to eliminate microbes and acts as a protective shield for the body. 8. Encourages weight loss. Garlic contributes to weight loss by accelerating metabolism, enhancing the body's calorie-burning efficiency. Furthermore, it serves as an appetite suppressant, curbing food intake and facilitating weight loss. By inducing a prolonged feeling of fullness, garlic prevents overeating, thereby reducing overall food consumption and aiding in the reduction of body fat. 9. Protects against cough, cold, and flu. Research indicates that garlic possesses the ability to combat coughs and flu. By bolstering the immune system, garlic lowers the likelihood of contracting these illnesses in the first instance. Consuming garlic water with honey before bedtime offers relief from coughing as well. During seasonal transitions, when many individuals experience coughs and flu, garlic's antiviral properties have been demonstrated to aid in fighting against these seasonal illnesses. 10. relieves symptoms in asthma patients. Asthma is essentially an inflammatory condition, and garlic can effectively alleviate this inflammation. Within garlic lies a compound known as diallyl disulfide, which possesses anti-inflammatory properties, capable of mitigating the impact of pro-inflammatory cytokines. By combating inflammation, garlic aids in alleviating asthma symptoms. Incorporating garlic water into your daily regimen can yield significant improvements in managing asthma symptoms. 11. Protects against Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Alzheimer's disease is believed to stem from the abnormal accumulation of proteins within and around brain cells, often considered a facet of the natural aging process. Similarly, dementia results from brain damage, particularly oxidative damage. Garlic, rich in antioxidants, serves to shield the body from oxidative harm. Studies indicate that high doses of garlic supplements elevate antioxidant enzyme levels in humans and markedly diminish oxidative stress in individuals with high blood pressure. The collective benefits, spanning reduced cholesterol and blood pressure alongside antioxidant properties, may potentially mitigate the risk of prevalent brain conditions such as Alzheimer's disease and dementia. 12. Improves athletic performance. Garlic stands as one of humanity's earliest recognized performance enhancers. Historical evidence indicates its traditional use in ancient cultures to alleviate fatigue and bolster the endurance of laborers. In ancient Greece, garlic was administered to Olympic athletes to amplify their strength and stamina. Recent research reveals promising findings. Individuals with heart disease who consumed garlic oil over 6 weeks experienced a 12% reduction in peak heart rate and improved exercise capacity. Additional studies proposed that regular consumption of garlic water may mitigate exercise-induced fatigue. How to make garlic water? There exist various methods for preparing garlic water, all of which are effective. However, we will outline some simple and swift techniques to help you conserve valuable time. Method number 1. Grab 3 garlic cloves in a glass, then fill the glass with freshly boiled hot water. Cover the glass and allow the mixture to cool to room temperature. Consume this concoction on an empty stomach in the morning for optimal efficacy. If the taste is not to your liking, enhance it by adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of honey for a delicious flavor and enhanced results. Method number 2. Place 3 cloves of chopped garlic into boiling water and allow it to simmer for 5 minutes. Once the mixture cools to room temperature, sweeten it with honey to your liking. Consume this preparation on an empty stomach in the morning to achieve optimal results. Method number 3. An alternative method for preparing garlic water involves blending 3 to 5 cloves of garlic with water thoroughly. Allow the mixture to sit overnight to ensure absorption of all nutrients and desired minerals. Boil the water for 3 minutes before consuming it on an empty stomach. Conclusion. Prior to incorporating garlic water into your diet, it's crucial to note that the National Institute of Health warns that consuming garlic may heighten the risk of bleeding. Therefore, if you're taking a blood thinner like warfarin or anticipating surgery, refrain from adding garlic water to your diet without consulting your doctor first. Additionally, garlic has been observed to potentially diminish the efficacy of certain drugs used in HIV treatment. If you don't have such a medical condition, you can include garlic water in your daily diet to reap its numerous health benefits. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.